Hey guys, I just mounted me a swarm trap in yonder tree over there. Gonna try and catch me some bees, make some honey. Well, catch some bees to make me some honey. Ordered online from Horizontal Hive. Let's see what happens. I'm excited. Let's give y'all a close up. That's the back side. That's the front side. Okay, there you go. That's the front side. That's the opening. Hopefully the bees will find it. It's approximately, I'd say, 12 feet up in the air. It's recommended to be at least 10 feet. So that's a good, at least that's, yeah, I'd say that's a good 12 feet. Let's see if we could attract me some bees. Wish me luck. So I guess this is the first chapter of Blackbeard's bee works. That's terrible. That's terrible. Okay, so I'm out there just cutting some glass to hopefully start laying the transom this weekend. I have a layer for above the shelf and below the shelf cut out of 1808. We bought a little bit of that. And now I'm trying to get 3 more layers cut with this 1708 for above the shelf. Because I don't know how many layers we're gonna do, but I definitely know we're doing at least 4, probably 5. I don't know, probably not as many as 6, but I just start with 4 for now. So I'm gonna get these remaining 3 cut because we already have that one 1808 cut. So I got 2 of them marked out. I just got 1 more to mark out. Okay, I'm gonna get these layers cut out. Looking good. So getting ready to lay up some glass on the transom. We are gonna get a soap coat on, fill in these grooves we cut with some thickened resin, and then start getting our glass on. We're doing it 5 layers in total. 4 layers 1708, and we have a layer of 1808 as well. layer. Yep, we're done. I think we bit off a little more than we could chew this time. The heat started to build up too quickly in between the layers. So the layers behind were curing while we were laying the new layer on top. And it's giving us a hard time. You got some air bubbles trapped in one or two layers of laminate. I guess we'll see how it goes once it cures. I'd hate to do this all over again because we messed up. Okay, so here it is, close up. You can see, especially in this area here, it looks a little dry because it's kicking off a little too fast. So we weren't able to soak the cloth very well. So I don't know if that's going to be okay, or we might have to sand this layer back down and redo it. I guess we'll know in the morning.